What's up, team? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So yes, guys, I'm doing multiple videos. You guys are gonna see this face twice, yes, because your girl have time. Before we jump into this video, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you don't miss out. Okay, if you guys are interested, follow me on my Instagram page. All the link will be down in the description box. Alle informatie staat in de beschrijvingsbox. Als je vragen hebt, laat me weten in de comment box. All the information, check the description box. So today I'm going to do the lip swatches on the Tammi Revolution X lipstick. She came out with 2 lipstick and lip liner in her collections. So I have tried basically everything in the collection, and so I want to come and try this lipstick. You guys know I love lip gloss, especially lip gloss. I love lip gloss. I just love the way a nude lip gloss look on my lip. So I thought, you know what, I've done my makeup and I thought, let me come and try this lipstick. So I've shown you guys this product when it first came. This is the packaging. It comes with a brown lip liner. If you're somebody who have been watching Tammi for a very long time, I think I have this same, yep, I have this brown lip liner. Yeah, I have it. It's the same, just that has her own come with this lighter complexion. But if you guys watch this one, it's the same. Even the name here, I don't know, the camera can focus, my eyes can't even see good because I'm not having my glasses on. But I have the same lip liner, and if you have been following Tammi for a very long time, you know this lip liner has been one of her favorites. So it's because of her I picked this one up, and I didn't even know that that's the same lip liner I'm getting in here. It's actually just the same brown lip liner, just that she changed the packaging, but that's the same. That's even the same liner, the same name, everything. That's the same. But anyway, she's been using this for a very, very long time, and because of her, I get that one there. So it's kind of crazy to just see the same thing in her new collection. And this is how you know she loves it, because it's something that she has been using for a very, very long time. So she came out with these 2 lip gloss. So more like a nude one and more like a nude but with a red undertone. So this is what the lip glosses look like. So you know what, let's do swatches. What do I feel like? I feel like I'm going to use this one as last because I want this one to stay in my lip after done with all this makeup. So let's open this one. And then let's open the lip liner. Oh my finger is gone. My fingernail is going to break. Oh, I have mercy. Okay, so now that I've opened it, I don't have anything on my lip. So let's. Oh, excuse me. So let's take the lip liner. Ooh. Where is the lip liner? Where is the... I don't understand. Hold on, guys. It breaks. It breaks inside. It breaks like it's... It was stuck inside. It breaks. It's okay. Do you have to push this up, or how do you... I don't even know how this works, because I know that one you have to sharpen it. Is it the same with this one? You know what, let me just fix the top and use it so as to not... I hope it doesn't fall down. Oh my god, it breaks. It's okay. Oh, you see? It breaks off. Oh. Let me sharpen it, okay? If it sharpens, yeah, it sharpens. Let me sharpen it. It breaks, but it's okay. We're going to sharpen it. Yeah, I'm starting to see another one coming out. Oh, it's everything is just breaking off. Like, oh my god, I sharp it, but then it just break off again inside. What is going on? Oh god. You know what, let's just fix it inside and use it and just line the lid with it. Let's just find a way to work with it. Because it's break, it's kind of difficult to apply, because if I put too much pressure, it's gonna fall out. But it's okay. Let's take the lip gloss and kind of ooh. Okay, this is cute. And the lipstick, the lip liner breaking off so easily has nothing to do with the Tammi lip liner. I have the same issues when it comes to this one. If you guys have watched most of my videos, when you're sharpening this one, it breaks very easy. It comes out. Even when I bought this one at the first time, the top comes out. It was also like in here, I have to bring it out. So even this one, you see, it breaks very, very easy. So it has nothing to do with the Tammi. This is just how this lip liner is. My experience with the one I've bought the first time. So that's why for me, I just kind of stuck it in back and just use it, because that's the same thing I do with the other one. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me see if I can sharpen it a little bit. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take a lip liner and just gonna like, I'm just gonna show you how I'm going to wear it, if I'm going to wear it. So you guys see, it looks very beautiful. So this is this one. What's the name? Yeah, I can't see. I'll put it on the screen for you guys. It's so tiny. I can't see, guys. I need the glasses. I'll put it on the screen for you guys. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So it's very, very beautiful. I really, really love it. It looks very, very nice. Like, I don't know, lip gloss is kind of really matches my lip because I have a big fluffy lip. So yeah, I'm here for it. So guys, let's me go and wipe this off and try this one, the least but not the last. So try the second shade. So I'm also gonna line my lip with the same lip liner. Trying to push the lip liner in. Excuse the noise of the kids, please, if you guys can hear that. I just gonna fill in the outer corner of my lip just a little bit. So now we're going to take this one. Ooh. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my god. this is, and it has a very beautiful smell. It has this minty smell, which I really like. So guys, this is the last but not the least. Let me know which one is your favorite. I like both. I like both of them, but I kind of like this one the most, you know. I love it because it just complement the makeup, the eyeshadow look, and everything. So I just feel like this one gonna complement the skin more. But yeah guys, so this is it. I really like it. So tell me, let me know which one is your favorite. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. This is again Amy. Vergeet niet te abonneren. Vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram, mijn Facebook pagina. Alle informatie staat in de beschrijvingsbox. En wil je meer foto's zien? Volg me op Instagram. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, Team Fullest. I really appreciate you all so much. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en steunen. Ik waardeer het echt. En alle dank aan jullie voor kijken, liken, commentaar. Thank you guys so much for liking, comments. And see you guys on my next video. This is again Emmy. And I hope to see you guys very soon. Doeg. Bye.